If I was your best friend, I want you around all the time. I want you around me all the time. I'll be your best friend.
Hello, baby boy. This is your first bath. How do you feel?
Yeah, I don't like it. Wow, isn't this fun? You guys should like that.
Oh, jump out. Oh no, get the camera wet.
Okay. Okay.
Here. Here, baby boy. Yeah, it's obviously not helping at all, but oh well. Here, you stand there.
Here.
Stay in there.
All right, let go. Hi. Hello.
He looks miserable.
Hello.
He's looking straight at the camera like, oh, please help me.
Oh, face in the water. Put your face in the water. Okay. I think we're going to be done. Yeah. You going to shake? Shake.
I want him to shake.
Roll.
I want him to shake. You know, shake.
Shake. Rattle and roll. Yeah. Oh, doesn't that feel good?
Baby boy, you go like this.
Oh, he's shaking. Oh,
Do the shake. Do the puppy shake.
he doesn't. I guess they just don't. Oh, honey. Oh, she's trying to step out. Oh, we're not playing this time. They have to go to the vet.
Hi, Miss Trixie. How do you feel? She's like, hit the thing on my
Did you give him a
face.
bath already?
Him, yeah. That's why he's wrapped in a towel.
Oh, God, no wonder he was shaking.
Genius.
Wow. Boy, he's
I'm
swift.
so alert.
She had some sleepies in her eye. You ready? Are you ready? You want to get those paws clean? Oh, yeah! Splashing in the water! Look, Erica! You're missing! I'm splashing! Yay! Oh, boy!
Do it again.
Oh, no, she's freezing.
Oh, Miss Funny.
Bobby. Can I let him out now?
Well, I wanted him to get dried first.
He's right, honey.
Honey, he was shaking.
No, not anymore. He just
Well, he was scared. Not that he was cold. He was
Okay.
scared.
All right, put him. Oh!
Hey, honey.
Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. She said, that ain't no way to have fun. Son, open up the window, let some